Christmas is right around the corner, and I'm excited, so I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 adorable Christmas crafts. First craft is super simple and so adorable. It's a little Christmas bow hair clip that is super cute and I love it. It's going to look something like this, except we're going to add like a little bead in the middle to make it look extra cute. Now let's get started. The things that you'll be needing are holiday ribbon, bobby pin, bead. You will also be needing a hot glue gun. Lastly, you'll be needing a little rubber band. Try to match the color of your string. Start off by taking your ribbon and kind of like tying it, like overlapping it kind of in this shape that looks a little bit like the cancer awareness sign. Next, take your hot glue gun and we're just gonna add a little bit of glue where we have it. Then stick it on. And take our rubber band and we're gonna like wrap it around and then put it like halfway over here so it like scrunches up like a bow. Put it around multiple times so it's tight. It should look something like this. Next we're gonna attach the bobbin. Turn over your bow, which I already did, and you're just gonna slide it through the rubber bands. This way no hot glue will like kind of bother you in your hair or like the string from hot glue will be in your hair. Because this part's gonna be sitting on your head. On your hair. Just like so. Now you could leave it like this and it's just a cute little hair clip, or you could add the little bead, which is what I'm going to do. So just add a little bit of hot glue right there, and then choose your bead, stick it on. There you go. So here is the finished one that I made. I think it is so cute and it's just so simple to make that you can just make a bunch of these and like give it to your friends or give it to like, your family members. These are just so cute. I'm just going to show you how to make a Christmas rain. I'm going to be making a reindeer, so let's get started. Start off by taking some brown clay. You don't need that much because it's just a ring. And we're going to roll that into a little this. Then we're just going to kind of flatten it out into the shape that you want for your reindeer's head. Going to stick it on just like so. And now we're going to take a little bit more brown clay for the ears. So I just finished the ears. Next we're gonna do the red nose. So I'm gonna take a little bit of red clay. You don't have to do red nose. I'm just doing it though because I want to make Rudolph because I think that'll be really cute. So just take some, roll it into a little ball, stick it on. Next, you want to take 2 little pieces of black clay for the eyes. Start off by making a circle and then flatten it. Then stick it on. So next we're going to make the antlers, and we're going to start out by rolling the clay out. This color is really perfect. It's like a light brown color. So we're going to roll it out and then stick it on. And don't just think that, I mean, you can just do 2 sticks, but I think this next step, it looks a lot better if you do it. So just stay tuned for that. Okay, now it's already tuned, okay. So we're gonna roll out 2 smaller little pieces of clay and we're gonna attach.
There we go. This is your little ring. Now if it's air dried clay, do that. But if it's fake clay, then yeah, put it in the oven. And mine says 15 minutes, so I'll be back.
Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
I really think these crafts are so cute. I love the little bow hair clips and the little reindeer ring. I think it's just so cute, and this is a festive way to get ready for Christmas, and I really like it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!